Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Telegram group members. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to the group you have, and to add you can just go to your profile, and over here you'll be having an option which says add members. Just press on it and choose the person. You can search it from here or you can have person over here as well. Just press on it and then just press on add. So that's how you do it. So I hope you like the video guys, and that's pretty much. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.